the difference between putting $50 into a bank. I gotta pause this. All right, I hope I don't get interrupted again. I got interrupted like 12 times. Anyway, guys, what I'm trying to do with this video is I'm going to show the difference between putting $50 into a bank account, a saving account, or taking that same $50 and putting it into a life insurance policy. I'm going to show you guys. I'm looking at the wrong camera. I need to look at this camera. So what I'm going to do is show you the difference. Taking $50 or however much you want. You decide how much you want to invest. You're going to take that money. I'm using $50 just because it's an even number and it's an easy example. You're going to take that $50, put it into a bank account over a 20-year period, and you're going to see how much money you're going to accumulate or what benefits you're getting out of it. Okay? Or the alternative is to call me at 330-577-3496, and I will take that $50 or however much you want to take and put it into a life insurance policy. And I'm going to show you what your benefits in the bank, what's your benefits with a life insurance policy. And let me go back to the illustration here. So we got 20 years invested into a bank account. You're putting $50 every month. That's $12,000 in 20 years. And your benefits or your interest might be like 1%. And then you got 20 years. So you're basically making $10 here after 20 years, right? It's roughly, say, $10 or $20, whatever, if you're lucky, if you put it into a bank account. Now, if you put in an insurance policy, 20 years, $50, you're going to put in $12,000 after 12 years. But the advantage over here, the life insurance policies that I offer, they come with living benefits, which means in the event something does happen to you, if you get sick or you get into an accident, if your coverage $3 million over here, which you can do that. You can do that. You can do $2 million. You can do $10 million. But if you're young and healthy, $50 will buy a $2 million policy. So now you have $2 million policy coverage over here with the life insurance. So you have $2 million waiting on you. Okay, $2 mil. Okay. So here you're going to gain $2 million in the event you get sick or you get into an accident. You have coverage for $2 million, so you can pay off your house. I need to explain also what these life insurance policies that I offer with. They come with living benefits, which means you can accelerate your coverage while you're alive, which means you don't have to die for your family to receive your coverage. You can have, I think I'm going to move that over here to make it easier. Sorry about that, guys, just so I can look straight at the camera, look straight at you guys. Okay, so that's much better. So you got $50 put into a life insurance policy. Your coverage is $2 million. In the event you get sick, or you get into a car accident, or any kind of accident, and you're unable to work anymore, you have that $2 million waiting for you. You can take that as a lump sum, or you can take monthly payments, say $10, $20, $30, $40,000 a month. You can take that money, pay off your house, pay off your car, take care of the spouse, take care of the children. And also, most important thing, when you get sick or you get into an accident, people, the thing that they don't understand, even if you have health insurance, medical bills are outrageously expensive. So even if you have $250,000 saved in your bank account for a rainy day, that $250,000, $250,000, you're going to liquidate that so fast. It's going to go so quickly. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. You're going to spend on medical bills, doctor visits, radiation, medication, so on and so forth, rehab session. It's so expensive to go to the doctor. So by having that $2 million sitting there waiting for you, you're protecting yourself. That money is available for you in the event something happens. And the best part about the whole thing, guys, when you have your $50 going into a life insurance policy for 20 years, say if nothing ever happens to you in the 20 years, right? You'll get your $12,000 back. If you outlive your policy, which I hope you will, if you outlive your policy, that $12,000 goes back to you. So that's like having a saving account on steroids. This saving account over here, or bank account, is not doing you any good. Look at this as a saving account on steroids. This saving account with a life insurance will give you $2 million and will give you your money back. And if nothing ever happens to you, you get all your money back. So we're counting like, what, 3 or 4 benefits so far? You get $2 million coverage. You get all your money back. That's called return of premium, ROP. Okay, this is ROP. And then a $2 million coverage. Okay, and also, you're getting living benefits for free. What makes life insurance policies very effective is the fact that they have the living benefits. The living benefits, what makes it really a usable life insurance, so to speak. So you don't have to die for it to work. There's 2 types of life insurance available out there: term life and a whole life. Term life, you just rent it for so many years and it expires and you don't get anything. Whole life, it'll cover you for your entire life.